Hi. Do you want to learn English every day? I will help you. A good routine can make learning easy and fun. Today I will tell you about a simple daily routine for studying English. Morning routine. First, wake up early. Don't stay in bed too long. After you wake up, drink some water, stretch a little, and get ready for your day. Now, it's time to study. In the morning, start with new words. Choose 5 to 10 words and write them in a notebook. Read them, say them out loud, and try to remember them. Then write small sentences with these words. This will help you learn faster. After that, study one small grammar rule. Don't study too much. Just read about one rule and do 1 or 2 exercises. Grammar is important, but small steps every day are better than too much in one day. Now you can continue your normal morning. Go to school, work, or do your daily activities. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, it's time to listen and read. Listening is very important. You can listen to a podcast, a song, or a short video in English. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and enjoy. After listening, you can read. Choose something small, an article, a short story, or a social media post. Read slowly and try to understand. After reading, say the meaning in your own words. This helps your brain think in English. Evening routine. Evening is speaking and writing time. Some people say, I have no one to talk to. But that's okay. You can talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Or record your voice on your phone. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking every day will help you improve. Then, write a little in English. Write 5 sentences about your day, your favorite food, or your dreams. Writing helps you remember words and grammar. A notebook is a great idea. Final tips. If you follow this routine every day, you will learn English faster. But the most important thing is consistency. Study a little every day. Don't stop. Here is the full routine again. Morning. Learn new words, write sentences, and study one grammar rule. Afternoon. Listen to English and read something small. Then, say the meaning in your own words. Evening. Speak in English to yourself or a partner. And write a few sentences in a notebook. Learning English is like a journey. Walk step by step, and soon you will see progress. Keep going and don't give up.
Hello everyone. Today I will talk about my morning routine. Let's begin. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. My alarm rings and I open my eyes. I feel tired, but I have to get up. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. My wife wakes up too. We like to wake up early to prepare for the day. The house is quiet in the morning. I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth and put on my clothes. My wife and I prepare breakfast together. She makes toast and orange juice. I make cereal with milk for the kids. I also make a protein shake with whey and milk for us. The kids wake up and come to the table. They are still sleepy, but they are hungry. They eat their breakfast while we get their things ready. My wife packs their lunch boxes with sandwiches, fruit, and snacks. I put the lunch boxes in their backpacks. After breakfast, we help the kids get dressed. They put on their school uniforms and shoes. At 7 a.m. we leave home. The kids are excited. They like school. In the car we listen to music. The kids sing their favorite songs. At school I stop the car. My wife and I say goodbye to them. They smile and wave. Then they go inside. After that, my wife and I go to the gym. We like to exercise in the morning. It gives us energy. I lift weights and run on the treadmill. My wife does cardio and strength training. We train for 45 minutes, shower and change our clothes. Next, I drive my wife to her job. We talk about our plans for the day. It is nice to have this time together. When we arrive, she says goodbye and goes inside. Before work, I stop at a coffee shop. I order a hot coffee. I sit and drink my coffee. It is quiet and I enjoy the moment. Then I go to work. I feel ready for the day. That is my morning routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Hello everyone. Today I will talk about my daily routine as a student. Let's begin. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. My alarm rings and I open my eyes. I feel tired but I have to get up. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth and put on my clothes. I wear jeans, a t-shirt and sneakers. At 7 a.m. I go to the kitchen. My mom prepares breakfast. I sit at the table and eat toast with butter and eggs. I drink a glass of milk. Sometimes I eat cereal with fruit. I talk to my mom while I eat. She asks about my homework and my classes. After breakfast, I put my dishes in the sink. After breakfast, I check my school bag. I put my books, notebooks, and pencils inside. I don't want to forget anything. Then I comb my hair and put on my jacket. I say goodbye to my mom and leave the house. At 7:30 a.m. I leave home. I take my backpack and go to school. I walk to school because it is close. Sometimes I take the bus when it rains. I arrive at school at 8 a.m. I meet my friends at the entrance. We talk and laugh before class. At 8:15 a.m., my first class starts. My teacher greets the class and we say good morning. In the morning I have math, English, and science. Math is a little difficult, but I try my best. English is fun because we practice speaking. My favorite subject is science because I like learning about the world. At 10 a.m. we have a short break. I eat a snack and talk with my friends. Then we go back to class. At 12 p.m. it is lunchtime. I go to the cafeteria and eat a sandwich, an apple, and juice. I sit with my friends and we talk about our favorite games and movies. In the afternoon I have history and PE class. History is interesting because I like learning about the past. PE is my favorite class because we play soccer. I like to run and score goals. My friends and I have a lot of fun. At 3 p.m. school finishes. I feel a little tired but I am happy. I walk home with my friend. We talk about our day. When I arrive home I take off my shoes and put my backpack in my room. At home I eat a snack. I eat a banana and drink some juice. Then I do my homework. I sit at my desk and complete my exercises. After homework I play video games for 1 hour. Then I watch a TV show with my family. At 7 p.m. I eat dinner with my family. My mom cooks rice, chicken, and vegetables. We talk about our day. After dinner I help clean the table. Then I relax and watch YouTube videos. At 9 p.m. I take a shower. I wash my hair and brush my teeth. At 9:30 p.m. I go to my room. I check my phone and send messages to my friends. At 10 p.m. I turn off the light and sleep. That is my daily routine as a student. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.